Hi guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings. You come to your settings, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on subtitles, captioning here, just click on it. You come to next step here, come here to closed captions here, and see the here, the ish. So you click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.